local. Today we are going to teach you how to flirt on the dance floor, but not really flirt. Actually, the point of this class is to teach you how to have fun on the dance floor. That I went to a festival recently, and there's a lot of professional, perfect, amazing dancers there. But I noticed something when I watched a few people dance, is that their technique is almost so good when they're dancing that there's no energy exchange between. So you just have two people who look cool together. Now, my background is not in dancing. My background is in skateboarding and all kinds of stuff like that. And really, style supersedes technique sometimes, especially if you want to play with your follower. So today, I'm going to teach you 3 or 4 maneuvers that you can do to exchange some energy between your follower in a fun, dynamic way. You know, when you're dancing with your follower, a lot of times, you know, she's danced with many people, and even if you know 1,000 cool moves, it doesn't really matter because she's done more moves than that and with maybe better leaders, okay? So sometimes if you want to connect with your partner, you got to be a little silly. Now, it's very important for me to remind you before we begin is that if you're going to do something like this, you need to believe. Self-belief is very important. So for example, I will show you just one little thing, okay? So let's say I go for a basic step, 1, 2, 3, and then I go for a little bit of an open break, 1, 2, 3, and just a simple turn, right? Now, if we do this in a fun, flirty way, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, oops, and do a little hair comb of yourself, right? Now, in order to do this in a real impactful way, you cannot just do like this, for example. Nervously, okay? So everything you do, if you're going to do something like this, you need to do with confidence. We go back. Serious. Just kidding. Da, 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 and bring her back, okay? This is a way to engage with your partner to not make the dance so stale. Because remember, we dance for fun, right? And to feel something, okay? So this is just move number 1. Open break, go for the hand, and Very important to be very clear and try to time it as soon as you go, comb yourself. Now, when it comes to this kind of things, it's not like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. No, don't worry about the count, okay? We're dancing. We're not counting, okay? So we can do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I can joke, ha, 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 and then reconnect when I want to. Not important, okay? Part number 2. This is an outside turn. So for example, I'm going to be holding her shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I'll show you one more time. I'm going to grab the shoulder. 1, 2, bring it towards my chest, and send her for outside turn. 5, 6, 7. Now here, I'm going to grab the back of the wrist and gently, very important, gently, toss. Da. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Now this is the normal thing that people do here. Okay, no problem. Nothing wrong with that. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in a little more fun way. One of my Korean friends taught me this. So thank you, good job. Okay, ready. Outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're going to hold like this. Of course, it's depend on you how you want to do this, but you can just hold the hand like this. Gently. Okay, so one more time. Coming in for outside turn, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And here you can do whatever you want. I like to just kind of toss it over my head. That's okay. And have it little slide down. Or from here, just kidding. Okay, so you can do many things. Coming back here, you see you can get a reaction this way. This is how you make the dance fun. We go basic again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Ga, 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 tum, cha. So in the same case of doing this turn, for example, from handshake position, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very common move. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very common. But how to do it in a more dynamic way. This is what I like to do on the dance floor. I'm going to go for my turn here. And I'm going to look back at my follower. Most leaders kind of just do like this. not engaging their follower. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at her, cheeky, like English speaking. And I'm going to like the, cheeky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at her very seriously. And as she turns around, I'm going to look back. And this one is, of course, it's just like nothing, but you keeping eye contact the whole time. So watch this one more time. Looking back. Hello. Let her know she's dancing with someone who's giving her the full attention. That's very important. Watch that one more time. Handshake position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm coming in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. A smile is always nice too. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Chaka, chaka, cha. Okay. Now here's another one. I like to do this one as well. This is kind of a reverse crossbody lead. So for example, normal reverse crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. One of my favorite moves is so simple, but it feels so good. But this one I'm going to do different. I'm going to point where I want to send her. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and give her time to style. So I just like to kind of give them some direction on where to go. Just in a joking way, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. And this is nice because the girl has time to style. But for example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When she's styling, sometimes I will go down. You know? And it's so easy. So easy.
Yes, sir.
Or you can just down and watch. Ooh, nice. Okay? For example, so watch that again in real time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. You know, we can play around. Don't be so serious when you're dancing with your follower. Just chill. Okay. Okay. Yes. Last one. So, for example, I'm just going to come in for a normal turn. This one you do 1,000 times on the dance floor. Da ga da ga da. Da ga da ga da. Anyone can do it. Total beginner, no problem. Okay. But I'm going to add a little spin in there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here, and I'm just going to hold her. I can look there, a little up, and so watch that again. Coming in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Nice and flirty. But for example, leader is very important. Let the girl turn first. Okay? 1, 2, 3. She turns. Then I turn. Now, it's very important, leaders. You need to put this on your neck first to make sure that she's safe. Then I turn my body. Okay? So watch that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. So you can just do, you know, play. When you're dancing, play with your fala. Okay? So basically, what I'm trying to say is, I hope this video kind of helped you to get you out of your box of just doing meh, 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 meh. Okay? Get out of the box. Have some fun with your follower. Don't take yourself serious because we are dancers. We are not salsa dancers. We are not bachata dancers. We are dancers first. Right?
Yes.
And we dance separate or together? Together or separate?
Together.
Together, yes, exactly. We dance together. So it's so important to have some energy exchange. Don't just, I'm so cool. I know so many moves. Look at me. Because really, when you're dancing with your followers, it's so important for the leaders, especially, to remember, she doesn't care that you have 1,000 moves. She cares that you lead her gently. Okay? Remember, have fun. Thank you so much for watching SBK Loco. Please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Wait. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next time.